Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y76 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from chosen apps on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and choose Notifications. Then click on App Settings over here, choose Most Recent and select one of those options, like Most Frequent. Then click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now off, but you can always turn them back on by tapping on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always click on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!